thing goes up in there. It's gonna go back down. No question. And we don't have to look out for satellites because we got nothing above us. Get it clearing, I'm gonna stop and leave the video for a minute. Get it where it hits the ground, Cam. Mud. Looks dry up bad. I'm going. Yep, it does, but look, it looks like it's coming back to life. It's occluding out. Or roping out. Could turn into a little Here comes some mud. I'm gonna power through it. Look, we got a top of a hill up here. I'm gonna get us up here. Let's get out, Kale. Get this thing dying. Got a clear shot.